Let's get inside my nail mailbox. Hey guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, today we've had a little mail. So I have ordered this month's nail mailbox. I don't get it every month, but I had seen that the deluxe box had come back in stock and I thought, well, I'll give it a wee go. So I've had one other of these boxes and I was really happy with what I'd received in it. So this was, I managed to get a £5 off coupon, so I think it was $34.99. So for the amount of stuff that you get in it, definitely worth it. So let's get into it here and have a wee look what we've got going on. So normally I thought that there was usually a little bit of paper, a card or something that told you everything that was in it, but doesn't seem to be. So I'm just going to lift everything out and then we can get rid of the box. So let's get this all out. I've taken some wee bits and pieces out of their wrapping, but then I stopped because I thought, no, I'm going to go and film this. So let's get everything lifted out. And I think, let me just double check. Yes, that is it. So we got some sponges, which are so helpful, and I do use these little wedgie sponges, wee makeup sponges, and I do use them. If you've seen me recently using this just to polish up a wee bit of chrome or some sort of aura powder or something like that, I use these quite regularly, so they are going to be grand and handy. I got the little Nail Mates, well, I don't know if it's Nail Mate, I don't know, there's no branding on it, but I got the little box, or the little brush in the box, and really soft wee brush. I do use same type, but these ones here, just the wee rounded ones, I have a few. So this is going to be also very helpful. So I'm going to use that, so soft. So I'm going to pop that back in its little bed. We have got some Lily Bow files. So we've got the stainless steel holder, and then I've got 1, 2, 3 of the stick-on covers for them. So these are just the disposable files and they just stick on to the metal. I'm sure you've seen other brands doing the likes of these before. So that is from Lily Bow, United Kingdom. So I think these are all UK brands. For everything that I can tell has a brand on it. I think it's all UK. This, again, no name on it. Let me just lift it out and see if there's a name on the back. I did have one of these before, and it was Nail Luxe. No name. It was Nail Luxe, but I think if it was Nail Luxe, it would have something on it. It would say Nail Luxe on it. So I'm not quite sure who that is from, but nice little chrome powder. Love red chrome, so that's going to be amazing. And then we've got the purple and the pink and the sort of bronzy colour there. We've got a velvet broom from Niba. I got something, what did I get the last time? I got hand cream, was it? I got from this brand in my last box. So this is now a milk bath. You basically just put it into your bath and relax and soak. So perfect. And then I got 2 brushes. Now I think from what I can remember, if it does, maybe say on it. Yeah, this is an actual nail mail brush. I got one of those in my last box as well, which is quite a lovely wee brush. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I think this one here. Is that the one? I think that's a nail mail. Oh no, it's not. Let me see. I was sure I did have it the other day. I was using it. Is it you? Yes, there we are. So there we are, that's the wee pink one, the wee nail mail one. So now we've got a red one to match. And are they both the same? Maybe they're the same length, I'm not sure. So let's pop that back in and pop that back in. So there we are, we've got another nail mail brush. Oh. And then we've got another Hona brush here. Now I do use and have bought several Hona brushes with my own money. Bought them myself, so I know that they're excellent. And this is a flat square liner, which to some people would be like, don't know about that. I sort of looked at it, but I have a set coming up now that I'm going to film probably after this one. And a wee sneak peek is that it's this one here, but I did want to make these lines a bit thicker. You can see it there. I wanted to make these lines a little bit thicker, so I think this is going to be just perfect for doing thicker lines. So I'm delighted to have that brush, and as I say, it's not too thick either. If it splays out, you know, it's easy enough cleaned up, so perfect. We then have, oh, I'm gonna put that on that way. We then have from Nails Luxe, we've got a detail paint, and this is Renaissance is the colour. So let's get a wee look. I've got a couple of extra colours here, so I'm gonna swatch them all for you. Get some wee swatches out. So I have had a wee peep at this, so look at that. Isn't that just stunning? A lovely rose gold. So we're gonna get a wee brush. Yeah, you'll do. And pop this onto a tip. What do I do when the tips are there? There. I'm just going to take this off the lid, but it's so sparkly. And this is a nail paint. It's a detail paint, so you know the likes of your gold and your silvers, and then obviously our rose gold as well. So there, I'm going to pop that into the light, give that one coat, or maybe do a second coat on it, and I'll take off this foil and maybe use that for the second coat, and I'll pop on this wee lid here instead. I do love these wee lids. So that's that, and then keep that on tight. Second coat. So it does build up lovely. Obviously if you were using it as a paint and you're maybe detailing it a bit more, it does have a good pigmentation. But as a single paint, that's absolutely gorgeous also. You can see that there. It's so shimmery. So that's that. And let me clean up my brush. I just want to see if that is non-wipe as well. Get this into the bin. It's like clarifying myself on it. Now, then we've got Glossify and Stellar Gel. We've got two gel polishes. So $34.99 is not half bad for that wee box there. You get a nail paint, an art gel, a palette, a colour, a builder gel, nail files, a brush, and some sponges. So you can't say fairer than that. I'm going to do the builder gel first. So this is Glossify Natural Build, and it's in the colour Aura. So I'll do it in the inside of the little swatch stick and build it up a bit. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Real sparkles in that. Stunning. Really nice there. I've never used anything from Glossify, so I've heard of them, but I've never used anything, so I'm interested to see what this is like. Push it on up there and give it a wee build. There we go. A bit more around the sides. Perfect, and that level's lovely too. So that's that. You can see that there. I think my light down too low, or my camera not low enough. Where do we see if we can sort this situation out of us? There we are. And it lets you see the sparkle in it there as well. Maybe turn the flash on, might help. There we are. Gorgeous. And as I say, that's self-leveled there as well. So pop that in, take this one out, and that's that. Gorgeous. It's not no wipe. So if you're going to chrome over the top of it, you'd need to put a no wipe top coat on. So there's that. And then last but certainly not least is the most adorable red. It's called Red Bottoms. And it's definitely a pinky coloured red, from what I can see here. So let's get a little look. Wow, 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 wow. That's like a neon red, if you like. That is, oh my god, that's gorgeous. That's a summer toe colour there. That's definitely a one coat wonder too. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'll pop this one in. And there is our builder as well, with flash on. And you can see the sparkles of it there. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's those two. So guys, if you haven't already had a look at the nail mail box, please do. It's just nailmail.co.uk, I think it is. Go on, and as I say, anytime I've ever been on, there's usually maybe a £5 discount, which takes it to $34.99. And you know, that's definitely a very, very good price for what you get in the box. You know, it really is very good. I don't think it's available in the States. I don't think it's available internationally. It's one for the UK girlies. But really great range of stuff. And I know that these brands, well, I know Glossify, Nails Luxe, and Lily Bow, obviously, because it says it. I'm not sure about Stella. I've never heard of them, but they're all UK brands. So, and there's the 3 colours then as well that have come in the box. So you know, those alone you would be paying more than £34 for, £35 for. So here we are. So I hope you've enjoyed this wee video, just a wee short one there for you, and I just wanted to get it opened and let you have a wee look at it. So I hope you've enjoyed this wee video. If you have, don't forget to give me a wee like, it really helps the channel out. And if you could share it out and subscribe if you haven't already, that would be most appreciated. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.